This Reich's class of 2019 presents Nourishment Nirvana, Food for Thought. I teach at a Title I school in Concord, California. 70% of our students are on free and reduced lunch. Student demographics show we have almost 80% minority students, with 60% being Hispanic. My class are 8th grade special education students. Our social equity project will take place throughout all of the courses I teach my students, but primarily during math and science. I teach science using our garden for hands-on experience in growing, measuring, and supporting our students with life skills that they can use now and prepare them for the jobs of the 21st century. My students will be working in groups of 2 or 4 where they will support each other. The students will pick a social equity project linked to the community food needs. For example, poverty in our community, poverty versus food waste, healthy food and their impact, food availability and insecurities and its effects on education, food needs and insecurities and the effects on minorities and children. How much produce can our school garden produce in a year? And a host of ideas as limitless as their imagination and drive. The students will be collaborating together in their groups. They will research separately and together. To gather data and support their claims, they will practice digital citizenship and learning about appropriate strategies to use to get the data they're looking for. The students will be writing in a journal where they will note their progress. They will also utilize their writing skills for various activities throughout the course of the project. The students will be demonstrating math and science concepts such as soil composition, chemical balances, as with pH levels, expiration dates, temperature levels for optimum growth, and the effects of climate on the communities most vulnerable, the homeless. They will graph their findings, display equations, and solve real-world problems using math. The most exciting part of this is the students will get a chance to experience the history of their community. They will learn about who their neighbors are. They will learn the business of food and its importance. More importantly, they will be problem solving, utilizing the importance of empathy of the project that they have chosen, and defining the problem that they think that they can solve. They will gather data, make models, and research facts and information. They will test out their project ideas and testing and doing it over again until validity is achieved. The students will be required to keep an online journal and make a video to document the process students will need to make weekly, to update, take photos, and to show progress as well. The students will finalize their project in a slideshow and presentations before the administration, staff, and science and math departments showing their results and findings. The students will be using Google applications such as Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Sites. They will use Adobe Spark as well as Weave Video and Flipgrid to journal in photos as well as answer and post questions related to their topic. They will be utilizing our school library as well as the public library. They will have access with their Chromebooks as well as class iPads. I will be assessing the students weekly and comment on journal posts as well as their video chats in group meetings. During this time, I'll be checking on their learning, participation, creativity, on their processes that they have used. I will provide support and guide them as needed. To learn more about our social equity project, please visit my class project website at google.com.sites.missreichs class 2019.